Welcome to Enabling Reading Mode. To enable reading mode, you have to go somewhere different than the other accessibility features. In order to enable reading mode, you simply go up to the three dots in your browser, go to More Tools, and click on Reading Mode. Now, it gives you options. You can pin things here. I have to go to a page where there would be an article of some type. So I'm going to go to ESPN, click here, and I will click on this. And now, as you can see, it removes pictures and videos and other distracting features so that you can sit here and scroll through the article. You can also change fonts, enlarge fonts, make fonts smaller, change the coloring. If you have children with light sensitivity, you can change it. You can also change the spacing and the kerning of the fonts.